Alright, here we go. I've got it's a 95 Maxima. Come on with the sun, it's probably blowing that shit out. Got a 95 Maxima. We weren't firing in cylinder 1, or no, I'm sorry, cylinder 2 and cylinder 3. There was no spark in either one of them. I checked by just pulling this plug off, and there's no change. There's no change over here. So we went and we ohmed out. We backtraced all the lines. They were all good and everything. And we were still wondering what the hell is going on. We didn't check the. We pulled off the coil. We swapped coils, and the coils weren't the problem. The spark plugs weren't the problem, and we went over to the PCM. We put a new PCM in. Even I didn't do it, but my friend here, he bought another PCM, even swapped it out, and I noticed there was water all over the thing, and I thought that's what it was. And so I was just like, we don't know what the fuck it is. So we took a day off. We came back, and then the owner of the car says, hey, by the way, I switched. Come on and zoom in on this. He goes, I switched this cam sensor. You put a new one in. This looks like a shitty Chinese one, probably. He goes, that's when it started to happen. And yeah, it's like premium OEM quality. I think it would say Nissan on it. I think that's a lie. So we swapped this off finally, and this is what it was. So we're just gonna put it back together. She's running really good now. It was running with a lot of hesitation before, and that's what it was. So if you have an issue with 2 and 3 at the same time, it could be that the cam's not picking up one to fire, the camshaft sensor, and you could swap that out. And it did 2 at a time, which is weird. And I think those fire at the same time. I don't know everything about this motor, but probably 2 and 3 fire at the same time. Also, probably 4 and 6 and 1 and what's the other one that's left? 1 and 4, or 4 and 6 and 1 and 4. Anyway, check. And I'm pretty sure this is not a crank sensor because it's not on the crank. But I think it's I think there's just one cam sensor on this one. I don't see another one on the back. Anyway, it's this. I'm not telling you what. Did you order a cam sensor, you said, or did you order a crank sensor?
It's a camshaft.
It's a cam sensor. Okay, so I was right. So anyway, check your cam sensor. 95 Maxima 3000. Good luck.